Hi everyone, this is Teacher Ivy and this week lesson is about pie chart, line graph, and bar chart. So we will be learning how to create these three different charts and graph in Microsoft Excel, and we will learn what are the parts of each graph. So this is how each graph looks like. This is a pie chart, a line graph, and a bar chart. So let me begin by asking, what is a chart? So a chart is a graphical representation of data. The data is represented by symbols. Like in a pie chart, it represents slices, a line graph represents a line, and a bar chart represents different bars. So a chart is a type of a graph. So what is a graph? A graph shows the mathematical relationship between sets of data, and it shows you information as a visual image or picture. So we can call this information data. So graphs are one type of chart, but not the only type of chart. In other words, all graphs are chart, but not all charts are graph. So charts are a large group of methods for presenting information, and graphs provide one of those methods by presenting data in a visual format. So, in short, a chart presents information in the form of a graph, diagrams, or tables, while a graph shows the mathematical relationship between the sets of data. So, pie chart. A special chart that uses pie slices to show relative sizes of data, so you will know which one is the biggest, which one is the smallest in representing your data. Now, let's move on to the parts of a pie chart. So, in this example, you will see that on the upper part, it shows the title of the pie chart. So the title offers a short explanation of what is in your graph. So in this example, the title is The Cost of an Education, Breakdown of Average Cost per Student Expenditures for Public Education. So that is the title. The legend tells what each slice represents. So we have three legends here. The light orange is the instruction, the light green is support services, and the light blue is non-instruction. So you will know that this part of your pie chart, the light green means the support services. So the data, most important part of your chart is the information or the data it contains. So you will see that 61% goes to the instruction, 4% goes for non-instruction, and 35% goes for support services. So those are the three parts of a pie chart: the title, the legend, and the data. Now let's move on with the line chart. So a line chart is a graph that shows information that is connected in some way, so such as change over time. So like in this example, these are the years 2005 to 2010, and these are the different cities. So they will, by showing or by looking at this line chart, you will know the potato harvest of each cities from year 2005 to 2010, meaning it shows the change over time. So this is the time lapse. Now, what are the parts of a line graph? So it's easy to remember the parts of a line graph because it's similar to a pie chart. So the title, we all know that the title offers a short explanation of what is in your graph. So it tells the viewer or the reader what is this graph all about. The legend tells what each slice represents. So this blue line, the total expenditure in unadjusted dollars, and the yellow line or the orange one is the total expenditure in constant 2004 to 2005. So this two lines shows the data. So the data is the most important part of your chart. and is the information or the data it contains of your line graph. So bar chart. Now, bar chart is also called bar graph, and is a graphical displays of data using bars of different height. So you will know that this blue one is 40K, the yellow one is 50K. So these are, it shows the different cities as well and their revenue for each quarter. Now, what are the parts of the bar chart? So parts of a bar chart, it's still the same, the title or the short explanation of what is in your graph, the data it contains, the most important part of the chart, and we have here the x-axis or runs horizontally of your graph, and this is the y-axis or the vertical line of your graph. Now, your activity is to create a pie chart, line graph, and bar chart in Microsoft Excel. And the deadline for this will be on May 11 until 11:59 in the evening. Now, I'm going to show you and I'm going to demonstrate to you how to create a pie chart, a line graph, and a bar chart in Microsoft Excel. This will be the data that you will be using in creating your line graph, bar chart, and pie chart in Microsoft Excel. So you can download this data from Schoology. Now, I'm going to move to Microsoft Excel. So this is the Microsoft Excel where you're going to create your pie chart, line graph, and bar chart. So I type the data, I enter the data here. So this is how it looks like, but you can create your own. You can design, you want to put colors in it, or you can choose any font or font style. Okay, so let's say that you are done typing with your data in Microsoft Excel. Again, you get this data from the Word document that I attach in Schoology. So let's start doing the pie chart. So the title of the pie chart is favorite type of movie. So you will begin by selecting the data from comedy to sci-fi and go to insert tab, and in the group of chart you will see different charts and click pie chart. So you can choose 2D pie or you can choose 3D pie. So let's see 2D pie. So this is how it looks like. So change the title. The title is favorite type of movie. So you can select any type of pie chart from here. So I want to select this so that I can see the percentage or the data from the pie chart. Or also you can change from here or here. Okay, it's up to you which pie chart you want to use. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So this is now your legend and this is all your data. So automatically it computes how many percentages for is your comedy, action, horror, drama, and sci-fi. Okay, so now let's move on with your line graph. So line graph, we have Sunday to Saturday. So this is the ice cream sales, and we have 2 weeks, week 1 and week 2. So select the data, go to insert tab, and find a line graph. So we have options here for line graph. So I would like you to use this line graph from here. So change the title. The title is ice cream sales. So you will see that in the horizontal line, the weekdays, the blue line represents week 1 and the orange line represents the week 2. So again, you can select any design of the chart according to your own choices. Okay, so mine, I would like to use this. So let's proceed with the bar chart. A survey, this is a survey of 145 people. Ask them which is the nicest fruit. So we have apple, orange, banana, kiwi fruit, blueberry, grapes. And these are the number of people who vote for each fruit. So select the data, go to insert, and choose a bar chart. So this is a bar chart. So choose any from this. We have 2D, we have 3D, or you can do this, or you can choose 3D bar. Okay, let's try to use a 2D bar chart. Okay, so So this is how it looks like. And change the title. So you put a survey of 145 people asked them which is the nastiest food. So you can do a survey of 145 people okay. So from here you can choose different style of a bar chart, So that's it. So you are done creating your pie chart, line graph, and a bar chart. So if you are done with this, all you have to do is to save it and submit this in Schoology. Now, if you have any questions or comments about this video lesson, you can send me a message online, or you can email me, or you can send message in Schoology. So once again, the deadline for this will be on May 11 until 11:59 p.m. So thank you and goodbye.